Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Windows 11 on a new PC using Microsoft USB installer step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your new PC is powered on and connected to the internet. Visit the official Microsoft website to download the Windows 11 installation media. Locate the section for the Windows 11 installation USB and click on it. Select the option to download the media creation tool. Once the tool is downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder and run the Media Creation tool. Accept the license terms to proceed. When prompted, select the option to create installation media for another PC. Choose the language, edition, and architecture of Windows 11. Connect a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of space to your computer. Select the USB drive from the list presented by the Media Creation tool. Click on Next, then confirm that you want to erase the contents of the USB drive. Wait for the tool to download the necessary files and create the bootable USB installer. After the process is complete, safely eject the USB drive from your PC. Insert the USB drive into the new PC you wish to install Windows 11 on. Power on the new PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings, usually by pressing a key like F2, F10, or Delete during startup. In the BIOS menu, locate the boot order settings. Set the USB drive as the first boot device. Save your changes and exit the BIOS. The PC will restart and boot from the USB installer. When prompted, select your language, time, and keyboard preferences. Click on Next, then choose the option to install now. Enter your Windows 11 product key if required, or select I don't have a product key to continue. Choose the version of Windows 11 you are eligible for, then click Next. Accept the license terms to proceed further. Select the option for a custom installation. Choose the partition where you want to install Windows 11, then click Next. The installation process will begin and may take some time. Once installation is complete, your PC will automatically restart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.